The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
Attention, Resistance. We've been compromised.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
Ratchet!
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Nefarious.
Lombax.
After him! No!
My name is Kit.
Maybe we could work together?
Oh, no.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite revenge.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yeah.
Yes.
Well, think again!
And now for a message from your Emperor.
I did it. At long last. The pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken. And this galaxy is finally mine!
How many times you beat this
What are
guy?
you doing?
Clearly not enough.
We will stop Nefarious. I know it.
You really think you stand a chance?
You are not my Emperor. This is the part where you